Hi guys, welcome back to another Lewy video. Today we're going to be showing you how to... Welcome back to another Lewy video. Today we're going to be teaching you how to tie a taekwondo belt. Today we're going to be teaching you how to tie a taekwondo belt. And here's the belt. Now you want just to find the center. So fold it, no. There's the center right here. Now you want to put it behind like this here. Without no like twists like that. So like this. Front is even. And so now you want to put the left one in, then the right one out, and over, and put this one in, then put this one down first and that, then around, then pull, and pull, and there's your square knot. And find the center of the belt, then wrap it around there. Make sure there's no twist. And then you want to put the left one first in there. And then fold the right hand in, and then the left hand out like that. And then loop the left hand in. And then pull and tighten it. And there. And now we made a square now. It kind of looks like a triangle, like diamond thingy. You tie taekwondo belt. And that's how you tie a taekwondo belt. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys, see you later. Hi guys, welcome back to another new video. Today we're going to be teaching you how to tie a taekwondo belt. So find the center of the belt like this, and then put it on your, and then wrap it around your lumbar spine like that. And then make it so it's even in front, like that. Then you put the left one out, and then the right one in on top of it, and then you put the one like this, and then tighten it. Then you put the right one in first, and then the left one on top. Then you do the left one under the right, and then tighten it. I should make a square knot like that. And this will be done faster. So, okay, let's do this. That's how you tie a taekwondo belt. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video today. And bye guys. This is how you do it quicker. So. Like that. So that's good. Bye guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye guys. Hi guys. No. Teaching you how to tie a taekwondo belt. And now guys, Now guys, you want to put your belt behind. Make sure there's no tangles. And then find the center of your belt and then wrap it around the center, like right in the center of your body, like that. The center of the belt, you could do it like that. The right part over the left part, so you put the left one in, then the right one over, and then you loop the right one in like that, and tighten it, and then cross the lower part at the bottom and then the top part at the top, and then loop the lower one in like that. Like this. And then you want to put this one in and then that one, and then put this one, loop it in around. Like that. No, that's wrong. Ugh. And then this one in.
No.
Come on.
Again.
Oh, this is my first time knowing how to tie.
Yeah.
And then you put the left one in and then the right one out. And then you put the left one like this. What? Let me just do it quick.
No.
Hi guys, welcome back to another Lewy video. Today we're going to be teaching you how to tie a taekwondo belt. So find the center of the belt like this, and then put it on your, and then wrap it around your lumbar spine like that, and then make it so it's even in front, like that. Then you put the left one out, and then the right one on top. Then you put the right one in, and then wrap it.
Okay.
Wrap it around your lumbar spine, and then you make sure the front of the belt is even. So you put the left one out and then the right one on top
To make a loop.
to make a loop, and then take the right side one and loop it around like down like that,
And tighten it.
and then tighten it, and now you put the right one in and then the left one on top. Then you take the left one and loop it around the right, and then tighten it and pull it. And that's how you tie a taekwondo belt with the square knot. Don't forget, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and bye guys.